beautiful souls. It's just me, Arlisha, aka La Gata7, the Divine Plant Diva. Thank you for joining my channel. And remember, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. So if you take a look at my porch, as you can see, my trees and everything is completely covered in a bunch of snow. That's living in Chicago, and that's how it works. And it's still snowing up, a complete storm up in here, as you can see, all over Chicagoland. That's the thing about living in Chicago. You can definitely expect it to be a snowbound place, even on God's own green creation.